Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to reinstall NVIDIA driver in Windows 10 or 11. So click on Start, search here Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now here expand display adapters. Now right click on your NVIDIA graphic card, then uninstall device. Just you have to click on uninstall device and restart. After restart, open any web browser. Now here type NVIDIA driver auto detect, then press enter. Now here select this official link nvidia.com. So if you are using supported operating system Microsoft Windows 98 or Vista or Windows 7, so you will see auto detect software and it will suggest you best and latest driver. And if you are using Windows 11 or 10 or you are facing this notice, so just here click on drivers. Now in this list guys, you have to search product type. Now product series, product, then operating system, download type and search it, and it will suggest so download and install. And another way, open this link I will give in description. So just here guys, you have to download and install GeForce Experience. So it's capture and share videos, screenshots and live streams with friends. Keep your drivers up to date and optimize your game settings. So it will suggest you best driver for your NVIDIA graphic card. So this is the way guys you can download and install NVIDIA graphic card. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. And also guys, you can download this automatic driver updates, or you can search manual driver. So this is the way guys you can reinstall NVIDIA driver in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.